Hi, I'm Simmi. I'm a cleanliness freak and a dog mom. I want everything that is in my control to be clean. Car is one of the places where I am spending most of my time. I not only want it to be clean, but I also want it to be sanitized because I also have a young daughter and I also carpool with young children. So I want it to be clean and sanitized for their use. So cleanliness is very important to me. So we moved recently to Goa and I wanted my car to be clean. And my experience with services in Goa has not been great. So I chose DapperDrive because DapperDrive gives me the convenience of timing, given that my schedule with my children and my other work really keeps me busy. So DapperDrive gives me the option to makes it convenient to get my car cleaned and sanitized. Plus, the services in Goa, I have not been very satisfied with different services that have been given in Goa. And DapperDrive is very reliable and the convenience factor. I think those two are the gems that just makes me come back to get DapperDrive every time. So the reason I chose DapperDrive is because I have Zoe and she's a 9-year-old lab. She sheds and she loves car rides. So we take her in car practically every day. And then I have an 8-year-old daughter who needs to be taken for her classes. And then we carpool with 4 other children. So there is a shift between a dog coming into the car and then children coming into the car, and I want my car to be clean and sanitized after my dog has left. So it is very important for me that the car is clean, car is ready for the children to come in, and that happens every day in my car. That's because DapperDrive services are so great. They practically take my keys whenever they practically inspect like every 3rd day, and they kind of take my car keys when they think that there's a deep cleaning required. On top of it, my husband is a surfing enthusiast, and there is sand every Saturday and Sunday in my car. So you can imagine with dog hair and sand and children, under 10-year-old children in my car, what the condition of the car is. But I can tell you, every Monday morning I open my car and it is smelling nice and it's super clean. And that's how it is until Wednesday, and then Wednesday it gets cleaned again by DapperDrive. So that is what I love about DapperDrive, the convenience factor, the fact that I don't have to call somebody or I don't have to take my car to somebody. It just gets cleaned at my place, at my convenience, without me trying to monitor whether it is clean or not. It's just clean and I'm a happy customer.